we're back today. We're working on the Ram 2500. We're going to do an air filter change in the airbox. I had a little bit of trouble tracking down an air filter here in Ontario. The local Napa couldn't get one. There were none listed on Amazon. You could go to eBay, but they were like $25 for shipping. So CarQuest, they were able to get one shipped up for, I don't know, about $30 total. So we'll do that. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do for this air, if I'm going to do an intake or either buy one or make one. I don't think I can really get much more flow than this, but I would like to clean it up because this is very tight in here. Something simpler would be a little bit better and easier to check and maintain. So what I've seen online, what some people do is relocate the battery from the driver's side over to the passenger side. In the Commons version of this truck, there's two batteries, one there and one there, so you can easily get a battery tray for here and just relocate your primary battery to here. The Commons truck also has the coolant tank right here, so that's something you can do as well. Pick up parts from a junkyard and do that. I think I'm going to leave this. I think I'm going to leave the battery there. I know the K&N comes over the top to right here, so kind of thinking I might make something like that. But anyways, let's get this filter changed. So with this wiring harness right here, it's really tight. I couldn't really reach that clip. What I was doing was just going into that back clip with the screwdriver and just popping it off like that. There's 3 on the bottom, 2 on the side, 2 on the top, I believe. You can easily pop these off with your fingers, but the screwdriver in my hand will undo it here as well and get that pulled out. Okay, so I've popped the clips. 1 there, 2 there, 2 there. We need to undo it here as well. You can just pry that apart. And let's separate this. And we'll clean up the dirt here that's fallen. And what do you think this filter is like? Put a comment down below what you think we're going to find in this thing. And then let me know if you were right. So that is a pretty disgusting air filter. I don't think I've seen one that bad before. I always check mine annually and change them at the slightest bit of dirt, which is usually about 2 years for an air filter with the amount that I drive my vehicles. That's just dirt caked in there. Must have been driving on some dirt roads, but you'd wonder how all that would get sucked up all the way in there. So I had a couple things out. I did try and clean them a little bit. Watch this. And that. It's going to go in this. So clamp it yet till I've got maneuvered. I'm going to reach back with a screwdriver and just hold it up. Just because I can't put a hand in there. Just flip it up. So air filter is in. Job done. So just an update on the Ram 8 liter. We've been working on cleaning the interior, checking stuff over. I checked all the fluids, topped everything, and just getting everything figured out. So we'll have lots of updates on it soon. Thank you for watching.